Welcome to a quick guide on how to disable autoplay videos on Facebook. If you're tired of videos starting automatically and chewing up data or battery, this simple step-by-step will help you reclaim control. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once it's loaded, look to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines, the familiar menu icon. This opened the main navigation for your account. From there, scroll down a bit and tap Settings and Privacy. In the expanded menu, select Settings. You'll be taken to a new screen with various options to customize your experience. Now, find the Preferences section. It's where Facebook groups related settings together for easier management. Tap on Media within this section to access video settings and other media preferences. In the media settings, you'll see options for autoplay. Tap on Never Autoplay Videos to disable the feature completely. This setting ensures videos won't start playing on your feed, in groups, or on pages unless you choose to play them manually. If you ever want to tweak autoplay again, you can return to the same media menu and switch back to either on or on unless scrolled to a different variant Facebook currently offers. It's a quick flip that can adapt to how you use the app, whether you're conserving data, staying focused, or just enjoying more control over your browsing. A couple of quick tips to get the most out of this change. If you do want to preview a video, simply tap it once to play. Also, if you're using a limited data plan, consider limiting other autoplaying media settings in your browser or app permissions to further optimize your usage. That's all there is to it. With a few taps, you've stopped Facebook from autoplaying videos, making your scrolling cleaner and more intentional. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might appreciate a calmer feed.